Hello everyone, I am Maitreya Thakur, a third year undergraduate. I am contesting for the position of PDC Secretary. I have been part of the PDC Council for the past 1 year and the CDS team for the past 2 years, and I am well versed with the structure, functioning, and problems of both the teams. In a prestigious institute such as IIT Gandhinagar with aspiring researchers and budding entrepreneurs, professionalism is the key to success. As the secretary of this council, I, along with my team, plan to aid students to become more competent and develop essential skills that will help them bag the best career opportunities. Let me brief you about my manifesto. The students currently face many problems regarding the CDS policy. I plan to introduce a change in the current policy of imposing strike and replace it with a point-based system and also try to make the nature of strikes reversible. Also, the current way of creating branch-wise rank list needs to be modified. It needs to be made more transparent and uniform. I plan to work on the same. I also aim to improve the postgraduate placement scenario by contacting more research labs. The company feedbacks have tremendous potential in improving the current scenario of competency of students. I plan to make the feedback more accessible for the students and change the courses too, along with the SAPC, to make them more aligned with the needs of the industry. Another problem that we have is the students often take up an internship just by looking at the brand name and the stipend offered by the company. It is important that the students also take into consideration the projects and the learning part of the internships. Hence, I plan to create a 5-minute video series of students sharing their experience of pursuing an internship at a particular company. I also plan on organizing company-specific coding competitions in collaboration with the GRAS and Metis to improve the performance of students in technical terms of MNCs such as Codenation, Nutanix, DE Shaw, etc. I wish to conduct guidance sessions and talks by the previously selected candidates to help the students clear selection process of the companies. As a potential professional development council secretary, I pledge to work with utmost sincerity and dedication if elected to the position. I will make every effort to address suggestions and concerns from the students. Thank you.